Hello children, welcome to class 7th science and the last topic of chapter heat, that is radiation. You are seeing here, and in this time I am not making the video on the KineMaster, but only it will published by the KineMaster. Hi. Because in the KineMaster there are the very limitation, so I can't explain the fully my subject, my topic. So I will teach you like the class. Okay. So today we are going to study the radiation. The definition: the process of heat transfer means from one to another. It will move hot body to a colder body without hitting the space between two. Understand? Space means the blank area. Like you are saying from the mobile to me. In the between there is a space. Understand? So without making it heat, the heat transfer from one hotter object to one colder object. That is called radiation. Understand? For example, heat from the sun means the heat that transfer from the sun to us. Understand? Every day we get the sunlight from the sun, so that transfer from the radiation. And in the between there are space. Understand? And heat from the heater, when you use in a warming your hand, warming your body in the time of winter. And the bonfire in the village area, or we make a put the हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लकड़ियों का गट्ठा रखते हैं. And in this video there is important, I will use little bit of Hindi because some students are getting difficulty to understand. So गाँव में क्या होता है, लकड़ी का एक बड़ा सा वो बनाते हैं गट्ठा टाइप का, इंडिया आग जलाते हैं, लोग आग साथ सेकते हैं. So that is called bonfire. Understand? So now we will study about the salient feature. Salient feature means their properties. Understand? It is a type of energy called radiant heat or the thermal radiation. Thermal means related to heat and radiation means transferring. Understand? The second is radiant heat travels in all direction. In all direction, like the sunlight. It transfers in all direction. Understand? In straight line, wherever it will go, जहाँ कहीं भी ये जाती है, it will go in a straight line, in a single line, in straight line, like this. Suppose that it is coming to us, then it comes directly from sun to us in a straight way. Understand? At a speed of light. What is the speed of light? The speed of light, c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Means in 1 minute, in 1 second, it transfer maybe 30 lakh kilometer, so 30 lakh meter. Yeah, 3 lakh kilometer per second. Understand? The next is, it does not require any medium. Any medium. It is very important. Any medium means there is neither solid nor liquid nor gas. It wants. Understand? Like our voice, हमारी आवाज है ना, हमारी आवाज को medium चाहिए. If there is no, suppose that there is no air, so we can't speak. We speak, but nobody can hear us. Like in the space. अंतरिक्ष में क्या होता है? The space, the astronaut talk to each other, but they cannot hear anyone's voice. That's why they use the written conversation with a special type of pen, whose length is not flow over. Next is the amount of heat reaching us by radiation is proportional. This is a sign of proportional. Distance between the source of heat and receipt of heat. What is mean? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? It means the radiation will, if the radiation will increase, means the sunlight will increase, so the distance will be also increase. Understand? Another means of this sentence is, if the heat is less, if the distance is bigger, so the heat will be less. If the distance is short, then heat will be more. Understand? And by the effect of this, as you go nearer to the sun, अगर हम लोग सन के पास जाते हैं तो क्या होगा? Our distance, look at it, their distance, अगर distance कम होगी ना, if we go near to sun, our distance will be reduced. और proportional means होता है, अगर ये कम होगा तो ये भी कम होगा, अगर ये ज्यादा होगा तो ये भी ज्यादा होगा. तो डिस्टेंस कम होगी तो लाइट क्या होगी? ये बढ़ेगी. जैसे जैसे आप सूर्य के पास जाते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपको क्या होगा? सनलाइट जल्दी मिलती जाएगी, सनलाइट. और जितना दूर जाते जाएंगे उतनी ज्यादा लाइट मिलेगी, क्योंकि हमारे तक आने में लाइट को बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेवल करना पड़ता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड.